Next topic is Kevlar. Kevlar is an aromatic polyamide. Here in Kevlar, the key word is aromatic amide. Amide means NHCO linkage. Amide is NHCO. Aromatic amide means on both sides of NHCO, there is the presence of benzene group. Aromatic amide. Okay, hope all of you understood the key word present in Kevlar. Kevlar, it is an aromatic amide. Aromatic amide. Amide means NHCO linkage. On both sides of NHCO, there is benzene ring is present. Hence the name aromatic amide. Then polymerization takes place through the amide linkage. Amide linkage is NHCO or CONH. Kevlar, it is obtained by the reaction between an aromatic diamine and an aromatic dichloride. Diamine means in the monomeric unit, two NH2 groups are present, and dichloride means two chlorine groups are present here. It is attached to the acidic group. Then look at the reaction. Here the monomeric name is 1,4-phenyl-diamine or phenylene diamine, and next monomer is chloride derivative of terephthalic acid. So it is called terephthaloyl chloride. Okay. So the two different types of monomers present in the formation of Kevlar is, it is a diamine. Diamine means what? Two NH2 groups. It is aromatic in nature. So the two NH2 groups are attached to the benzene ring. Second one is chloride derivative of terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid means on benzene ring, two sides it is COOH group. OH group is replaced by Cl group here. Okay, so it is acid chloride derivative, or it is terephthaloyl chloride. How it is formed? It is formed by the condensation polymerization, because here NH2 and COCl, these two are condensed each other and forms the linkage NHCO. Hope all of you understood. Here what is to be eliminated? HCl is to be eliminated. So one H from NH2 group and Cl from COCl is eliminated as HCl. Hence it is called a condensation polymer. So once again, what is Kevlar? Aromatic amide. What is amide? NHCO linkage. How it is aromatic? On both sides of NHCO, what is there? Benzene ring. At the same time, it is the functional group. Two functional group are present. So here also NH, here also NH. Here it is CO, so here it is also CO. So look at the structure first. Aromatic amide. Amide means NHCO. On both sides, benzene ring is there. And the functional group are di means two functional groups. So here in one side NH, definitely its another position is also in NH. Here also CH, here also CH. CO. Okay. So hope all of you understood the process of formation of Kevlar copolymer. Kevlar, it is copolymer at the same time condensation polymer. How it is co? Because different types of monomers are present here. Kevlar, it is an important topic. Aromatic amide. Amide is NHCO. Aromatic on both sides. On both sides, benzene rings are present. Then we are moving to the properties of Kevlar. It is strong in nature. Extra strength is due to the formation of hydrogen bonding between CO group and NH group of adjacent chain. So it is strong in nature. It has its strength, it is due to the presence of hydrogen bonding. How this hydrogen bonding is formed here? Because an amide linkage is here. Though, so there is a connection between CO group and NH group. Then resistance power is high. Then thermal stability, flexibility, high tensile strength. Then this tensile strength reduced slightly with increase in temperature. Moreover, it is lightweight in nature. Its uses are also important. It is used for the preparation of military helmets, body armors, bulletproof clothings. It is used as a composite, then reinforcing material in optical fiber, then manufacture of ropes and cables, automobile parts, etc. Okay, once again the uses are important here. Kevlar, it is used for the preparation of military helmets, body armors, bulletproof clothing. It is used as a composite, reinforcing material, manufacturing of ropes and cables, automobile parts, etc.